Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. I am thrilled to have you here. And all of my returning subscribers, I love you for supporting me. So today's video is highlighting all sorts of new clothes that I've gotten, including things I wore at New York Fashion Week. I hope you like this video. As I'm filming and showing you outfits, I'll be going into a little bit of depth as to why I bought them, how I'm styling them, where I like to wear them, so on and so forth. So I hope it inspires you and gives you some style ideas for fall. All right, let's get into this. Okay, so this is my first outfit. It is a silk top from Lily Silk in navy. Love this color. I picked this color because jewel tones are huge for fall every single year, but they're particularly in style this year. I also got this little leather pleated mini skirt from Zara. It's actually a skirt. It has a lining inside. I hope I'm not flashing you guys. It's a little pair of like little satiny black shorts so that you're not exposing yourself when you bend over because it is quite short. And I've paired it with these cute silver strappy heels that I got from ASOS. So this top I believe is $89.99. The skirt was about, it was really well priced at Zara, about $45.99. And the shoes are on ASOS for about $45, I think. Anyways, I love this outfit. The navy blue silk is hugely flattering on my skin tone, and it offsets the beautiful silver of the skirt. I love this. So here's just an up-close shot of the skirt. Like I said, it's all pleats. This is machine washable, which is fantastic. You've got to love Zara for that. As you can see here, this Lily Silk top is beautiful. I love the gathered neckline, the mock turtleneck. It's got covered silk buttons and little hoop closures at the neck. And I didn't do up all the buttons here because I lack dexterity, but here you can see there are 2 buttons at the cuffs. It's lovely. For $89.99, this shirt is fantastic. It feels much more expensive. Lastly, this silk is quite nice and thick. Again, beautifully made. For $89.99, this is fabulous. Okay, so this is my next look. I kept on the navy silk shirt from Lily Silk and put on my new favorite jeans. I got these off of the Trend Savvy site. Trend Savvy is this luxury online boutique. I now buy all of my clothes there because the prices are so good. So it's all designer goods, but at better prices. I have a code, DOM is the bomb. If you order anything off the site, you can get 15% off. I ordered these Levi's ribcage jeans. They're a nice little straight leg. I think the style's called Jive. They're also wedgie jeans, so your butt looks incredible. This Lily Silk shirt has become the workhorse of my wardrobe. This is something I would wear out with my girlfriends for cocktails after work. I've worn this whole look to work. I love it. I also have a code. If you guys want to buy anything off of Lily Silk, use code DOM12 and you get 12% off. I'm going to order up this exact same shirt. There's a cranberry color that I think will be so hot for fall. Anyways, I love this. I think it's super flattering. It's really kind of like effortless chic. I've paired them up with these leopard print mules. I also got these off the Trend Savvy site. They are from a brand called Black Suede Studio, which specializes in really high quality leathers, suedes, really chic of the moment styles too. I love these mules because they're not too high, but they're not kitten heels. They're just high enough to be sexy. And they're made of like the scuba gear material, which is so comfy. Okay, so here's just a close-up of these jeans. They're friggin' hot. I love high-waisted jeans. I think they're super flattering. They hold in your tummy. They elongate your legs. They're a really of-the-moment style too. I will never, ever go back to low-waisted jeans. I hate them. Anyways, yeah, so these are on the Trend Savvy site. They're $108. Again, if you use my code, DOM is the bomb, you get 15% off. And these are the wedgie jeans. Like I said, they make your butt look great. And these are the black suede studio shoes that I was telling you about. They're little mules. I consider leopard print a neutral. You can wear these with anything. I wear them with stripes. I wear them with all sorts of different colors. I have a plaid blazer I'm going to show you guys soon enough. These just go with everything. I wear them to work. I wear them walking around the city because they're so comfortable. Again, I got these on the Trend Savvy site. I will link everything in the description box. All right, so I love this blouse. I cherish it. It is a great find from Nordstrom Rack Canada. I got it at their last designer sale event. It's Veronica Beard. It's stunning. It originally retailed for $450. I got it for something insane like, I think it was maybe $129. It's beautiful. This blouse I took with me to New York Fashion Week. I wore it with that little silver skirt that I just showed you guys, and the look killed. I love this. Normally, like, I'm a pretty down-to-earth classic dresser. I would wear it with jeans. I kept on those mules from Trend Savvy that I got, and I paired it with this really cute little clutch. That's really all the rage right now. It is a little, it's all leather. It's in cream. I got it from this like Instagram brand called Looks Like Summer. I really love the Bottega Veneta bag, but I can't afford a $4,000 clutch at the moment. One day, putting it out in the universe, I can. So this little clutch was $116. I hopped on it immediately because it was such a good deal. So I just love this whole look together. I think it's really fresh. I love it paired with the jeans. It's awesome. So here's a closer look at the blouse. It's shaped very much like the Lily silk blouse I showed you guys. Beautiful closure at the back, but the closure is this big, long, huge bow. It's so beautiful. When I wear this blouse, I like to wear my hair up so that you can see that beautiful detail at the neck. Got the same thing at the cuffs. Oh, that one came undone. But it's stunning. So it's like this beautiful wine color. It's quite sheer actually. And it's got this silver leopard print detail. It's stunning. Secondly, here is the bag from Looks Like Summer. It's all cream leather and it feels like nubuck. It's not suede. The inside is all leather also. This was $116. I can't get over how little it costs. It comes with a long strap too. I got this in New York. I went to the Shop Bot pop-up, which was hosted by Tessa. She's an influencer that I love. And I saw this dress and I was like, holy crap, I need this in my life. I am trying to get outside of my typical Dom only wears neutrals, only wears jeans sort of vibe, and this fit the bill. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. It's not like me to make such a sort of crazy impulse buy, but it looks so hot. I think I'm gonna save it for my birthday. Anyways, the brand is called Rotate by Berger Christensen. I was super pleased to see after I bought it that another influencer that I love, Jessica Wang, was wearing it to one of her New York Fashion Week after parties. It fits incredible. The fabric is the weirdest. I'm gonna save this for my birthday because it's so extra. Like, I feel like I should book a trip to Vegas just to wear this. It's so sexy. I love the balloon sleeves. Balloon sleeves are super hot right now. I've paired them with these little Zara cowboy boots. They're like a wedge heel. And I got this lambskin leather obi belt from a beautiful little boutique in Paris. So I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, it's on the Shop Bop website. I will link this dress because you guys need this in your life. The Rotate brand is super cool. Tons of really sexy little party dresses. It's super tight at the wrist. It's got a zipper to close it up. It's got a little pleated skirt, see that? And the little like draped overlay. It's so nice. It's a mini skirt, but you know, just long enough so that, you know, you don't have to worry about exposing yourself when you bend over. And it's got the wrap detail at the boobies. And here's just a close-up of the little Zara boots. I'm getting a ton of wear out of these things. I'm wearing them with all my skirts and mini skirts. These were a great buy. I bought these in New York City. They were $1.99 US, so I find these are quite expensive for Zara boots, but they're all leather. The leather's actually quite sturdy, getting a lot of wear out of them, and they haven't fallen apart after the first wear, so way to go, Zara. Okay, so here's my next look. I love this. My friend Katrina bought these actually off the Trend Savvy site. I'm getting people hooked on these, and I borrowed them for the weekend. She's kind enough to let me borrow these. I'm going to a hockey game tonight, and I thought I would wear these. I am wearing those black suede studio mules in the cheetah print, and I paired it up with a sexy little tight crop top. I got this top at Aritzia. I call this color hazelnut. I think it's really, really flattering on my skin. As you guys know, I love the whole neutral look. I'm going to order a pair of these for myself off the Trend Savvy site. The brand is Rollas. I think that's how you pronounce it, or Rollas. It's an Australian brand, really, really high quality stuff. This is like a, I want to say, it's like twill. Very, very soft, stretchy denim. It's got little pockets in the back here and little patch pockets in the front. So again, I think this style is best worn with really delicate shoes so that you don't look stumpy, you're not cutting off your legs. I would opt for wide leg also for a true 70s look. This is where this look comes from and flourished. Beautiful. I would also keep, I think you can do a multitude of looks with wide leg cropped pants, from cozy sweaters to blouses to tight little tops and blazers. They're really versatile in that sense. Love these. Thanks, Katrina, for lending them to me. So as promised, here is a close-up look. So little patch pockets in the front, and I think these are super flattering. They make your butt look great. Really, really nice. If you want to finish off the look, add a belt. You don't have to. I think they're really cute as is. And like I mentioned, I paired it with this little crop top because this is very Dom. Okay, so this is another favorite dress that I've been wearing for the last couple of weeks. I wear this dress to walk the dog, to run to the grocery store, you name it, like casual, fun little things, going shopping. It's so comfortable. The brand is Super Dry. It's a great UK brand, very high quality. Prices are incredible. So this dress I think is $80. I ordered it off the Trend Savvy website. I love the paprika color. It's so flattering. It's very fall. It's just a cute little mini dress. So it's got buttons all the way down, but this opening is actually sewn shut. You can't undo any of the buttons, but I like that. There's no accidents with this dress, no puckering at the buttons whatsoever. It's just really cute. It's really flattering, very form-fitting, and I love to pair it with my trusty denim, my trusty leather moto jacket. Again, got it Zara several years ago, but it has really been a fantastic buy. I love this whole look together. It's very, you know, easy, chic, love it. I wasn't quite sure what shoes to wear with this dress, but because it's pretty casual, I just threw on my Golden Goose sneakers. They're really easy, but elevated. Yeah, very casual, cute look. It's like my weekend look. So here's just a quick little close-up of the dress. As I mentioned before, it is sewn shut, but it's got these little tortoiseshell buttons. You can see that there. It's a little high on the bust, so no cleavage, which is a really nice little elevated look. Paired it with my moto jacket. So I'll just take it off here. Really cute. Very, very cute look. I got myself a pair of wine-colored Levi's cords. I love the cropped look. I'm all about the cropped pants right now, and when the weather starts getting really cold, I'm going to throw on a pair of pointy-toed, high-heeled boots with these, and that will cover my ankles, making these totally wearable for winter. So I've paired this with just a simple black crew neck from Aritzia. The cords, like I mentioned, are from Levi's, but I got them on the Trend Savvy website because they're just better priced. And And this is just a really simple, casual look. I'm wearing my YSL Lulu bowling bag with it. I love this. I've paired it with those black suede studio mules in leopard print. Again, so the pants, the shoes are from Trend Savvy, and I've got my little gold necklace, accessorize it up. So there's the back view. I love the cords. They give off this beautiful, like, I don't know, it's the light, they just catch the light so well, and the fit is lovely. These are high-waisted. My belly button is tucked right in there. Like I mentioned, I just kept everything streamlined. The nice little black crew neck, the black YSL bag. Boom, you're ready to go. I wanted some really hot sunglasses for fall, so I scored these Gucci's, again, off the Trend Savvy site. They're regularly something insane. I think they're like $500-600. I got these for $2.99, and they're really cool. So it's like a really dark black brown lens, square, and they're so awesome. I think that I can't get over how cool these sunglasses are. I wore them throughout New York Fashion Week, and I just think they kind of elevate any look. I love that they're nice and big and wide. They've got the gold details. Gucci's sexy. They look great. The other pair that I snagged on the Trend Savvy site, and these were a steal. I think they're about $2.29, are the Dior So Real Sunnies. I love the copper, the rose gold at the top of the lens. See that? And they're all black, so they look really chic. They're really chic, they're really cool, the lenses are awesome, and at $2.29 on the Trend Savvy site, they're a steal. So that wraps up my fall fashion haul. Everything that I've shown in this video will be linked in the description box. I have some shopping codes. If you want to buy anything on Lily Silk, it's DOM12 for 12% off. I always have shopping codes for Trend Savvy. If you want to buy anything at all on the Trend Savvy site, it is DOM is the bomb, and you'll get an extra 15% off. Again, I love Trend Savvy because it's all high quality stuff. There's a lot of designer goods. They also have vintage designer handbags, furniture, blah, you name it. I love Trend Savvy. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell too. You'll get a notification every time I upload a new video, therefore you won't miss anything. And follow me on Instagram. I'm at dominique.baker. Don't follow me at Style Domination, okay? That account is closed. And check out my blog at styledomination.com. I would love that. So I will see you guys later. Have the greatest day.